So here in this program we will see how to assign value to instance variable differently. Like in previous program we have created instance variable. So these are our instance variable and we have assigned value to these instance variable in main method by creating object. So here we have created object obj1 and here we are assessing these instance variable with the help of dot operator, and then here we are assigning value to these instance variable. So today we will see how to assign value to instance variable with the help of method, and in this also there are two ways. First way is method without argument or parameter we can say. So this is our main method and here I am creating a class C3. This is the name of our class, and here in this class I am declaring three instance variable integer I, j and k. These are three instance variable. Now here I'm creating one method. I'm giving void return type to it, void, and here it is, name of this method is get, and here in this method I'm saying value of I equals to I10, j equals to 11, and k equals to 12. So we have used this method get to assign value to our instance variable. Now here I'm creating one more method whose return type is void, and name of this method is display. And in this method I'm going to display all these variables value. So system dot out dot println, here I'm putting I. Similarly j and k. And here I'm doing multiplication of I, j and k. I multiplied by j multiplied by k. Save it. So here in get method we have got the value of I, j and k, and here in display method we are printing those value plus we are doing some arithmetic operation over these variables. Now here in main method I am creating object of class C3. So C3 I am giving it name O1 equals to new C3. So here O1 is our object. Now here we are going to access this get method with the help of O1. For that, O1 dot get. This method is without any argument, so we are not putting any argument here. What it will do with the help of this object is it is calling this get method. Control will go here, and here it will assign value to all these instance variable. Next I am going to do is O1 dot display. And after getting values of I, j and k, it will go to this O1 dot display. Here it will call this display method, and this display method control will go here and it will print the value of I, j and k along with the multiplication of I, j and k. Save it and run it. So it has printed the value of I, j, k and with the multiplication of I, j and k. Next we are going to do same thing but with the method with parameter. Here we haven't passed any parameter to this method. So here in demo4 package I am creating one more class and naming it as test4. So here's our class, and here I am creating class C4, and within the C4 class these are our instance variables I, j and k. And here I am creating method void get, and here inside this bracket I am giving integer x, integer y, and integer z. So these are three parameters we have passed into this function method get, and here I'm doing is I equals to x, j equals to y, and k equals to z. And here I'm creating one more method whose return type I'm keeping here is integer display. And here in this method I'm declaring one more integer variable s, and I'm initializing this variable with 0. Now here I'm doing is s equals to I plus j plus k, and here we have taken return type as integer, so we have to return s, because s will be holding addition of I, j, and k. Save it, and here in main method we have to create object of class c4, and here I'm giving it value 04 equals to new c4. So we have created our object 04. Now here it will be like this 04 dot. Now we have to access this method get. So here this get method. Now here we have passed parameters, so here we have to give it, like here I'm giving in for x I'm giving 2, for y I'm giving 3, and for z I'm giving 4. What it will do, 2 will go to, when this function this method will be called, it will go here, 2 will be going to x, 3 will be going to y, and 4 will be going to z. And after that we have to call method display. So after putting value of 2, 3, and 4 in x, y, z, it will call method display. In this display, it will do addition of 2 plus 3 plus 4, and what will be the sum? It will return to main method here. Now to display the sum, we have to take one more integer variable. I'm taking total, and here I'm doing is total equals to, and after that we can print this total. So it is going to print addition of I, j, and k. So run it. Addition of three numbers is 9. So how it is working? Here we have created our object, and here we have declared one more variable. Here we are calling, with this object we are calling this method get, and here we are passing parameters. Instead, for x we have passed 2, for y we have passed 3, and for z we have passed 4. So it will go here and assign the value of x, that is 2 to I, 3 to j, and 4 to k. Now here next we are calling the method display, and we are collecting that value, whatever will be the value in total. So here with the method call, control will go here, and here we have declared one variable integer of type integer, to which we have initialized with 0, and here s equals to I, j, and k. I was holding value 2, j was holding 3, and k was holding 4. So it will do addition of I, j, and k, and whatever will be the sum will be returned to main function, and in main function it will get collected in total, and here we are printing that total. So this was a program in which we have initialized our instance variable in two ways. First way was the method in which is having no parameter, and second with the method having parameter.